back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Bomb Nia. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, I'm going to be doing a wig review. Now, this wig I'm going to be doing a review on is a headband wig. And I've been seeing these wigs all over the place. I've done my research. It's supposed to be a convenient style of wig. It's kind of like a half wig with a band on it, and you wear like pretty headbands, and it's a put on and go type of wig. I've been seeing them all over the place, so I'm like, why not just give it a try? Now, this is the wig I'm going to be doing a review on. It is called Beauty Forever. I paid $127 for this wig. It was 20 inches, natural hair, so it's like 1B, the color 1B. It is human hair, so you can dye it. It's 150 density, so it's, you know, full, natural, you know what I'm saying? Let me just open this up and let's see what it came with. So it came with a wig cap. I love when hair companies send wig caps with the hair because you can never have too many wig caps. Like me, I lose all my wig caps. I don't know how. I be thinking I put my wig caps back where I put my wigs, and then when it's time for me to wear my wigs, the wig cap is nowhere to be found. So I love this. Thank you, Beauty Forever. So it also came with these two headbands, and actually this headband looked like it go with my shirt. I wore the perfect shirt. I mean, this headband do too. I wore the perfect shirt to go with these headbands. I swear I did. That's the universe. So this is the wig. This is the 20 inches. Ooh, and it feels so soft. This wig is so soft. It's a nice body wave. It looks like it's, yeah, it's definitely 1B. It's definitely 1B. Like, I don't know if you could tell. I don't know if you could tell, but it's not jet black. I wish wigs came in jet black. I love me some jet black wigs, but you know, beggars can be choosy. Let me smell it. I always smell my wigs. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like it's been washed. I don't know. It smells like it's been washed. So I hope this is a brand new wig, because $127. Don't play with me, Beauty Forever. These are the ends of it. And it's definitely full for it to be, you know, half of a wig. This is the Velcro straps. This is the band. So you tie this around your head. It comes with how many combs? 1, 2, 3. Comes with 4 combs. I don't know if you could see. You kind of turn it inside out. Comes with 4 combs, 1 at the top where the band is at, 1 on the sides. I mean, 2 on the sides and 1 on the bottom. So it's definitely, you'll definitely get a nice secure thing. And then if you don't like combs, because sometimes combs could be very irritating, it also comes with these bands right here too. But that's a little bit too much. Like, you don't got to do all this, because if it comes with the Velcro band, you should be secure. Nobody wants to get a headache. I know I don't. Let me just take this scarf on and let me try on this wig. I'm going to slick my hair back. As I know it's looking crazy, but whatever. Okay. This is my favorite edge control right now. It's good for 4C hair, which I do have, but my hair is 4C and natural. No perm. I haven't had a perm since I did my big chop like 3 years ago. So yeah, so I'm just gonna slick my hair back, and then I'm going to probably like put some baby hairs in, and I'm gonna try on this wig.
Cause when I pop off, and then reapply my lip gloss. I may be little, but bitches don't scare me. I could be your best friend or your worst enemy. Cause when I pop off, and then reapply my lip gloss. I may be little, but bitches don't scare me. I could be your best friend or your worst enemy. My mind is just set up like everyone's a set up. Y'all could play the soup. I'm always couple steps up. I look damn good without no makeup, but even better when it's caked up. How many of you bitches?
So I did my baby hairs, you know, I kind of slicked it down just a little bit, the little sides or whatever. And now I'm gonna try on this wig. All right. Oh, it's kind of snug without me even putting the Velcro or anything on. It's kind of snug. Let's see, should I put the comb in? Fuck it, let's just put the comb in. We is gonna push this band back a little bit. I'm gonna push this band back just a little bit. Okay. Now let me try on this headband. Let's see, which one should I try on? I really like this one. I like this one. But this one goes with my thing, with my shirt. This one goes with my shirt, so we're gonna do this. Put this on. I'm a little hot. You see my armpits sweating? I am 9 months pregnant and you don't know nothing about this pregnancy heat, so don't judge me. Okay. Oh, absolutely. I like this, y'all. See, should I put it back a little bit more? Yeah, but I don't want them to see the band, so I'm gonna push the band back. And then I'm gonna do this right here. I'm gonna push these back just a little bit so I can see the little baby hairs that I worked so hard on. But this is how the wig looks straight out the pack, y'all. Straight out the box. I'm like straight out the pack. This is how it looks forward. And it actually feels really full. You know what I'm saying? Like, and it's so freaking soft. Hold on. Let me step back just a little bit. How long it is from the back. And it's nice and flowy, you know what I'm saying? Like, you be flowing in the wind, it ain't stiff. Stiff where? Let me try half up, half down. Ooh. Sis. Yeah, I am super in love. I look like I'm from Gossip Girl. I'm giving Black Gossip Girl. I'm giving Blair, Black Blair with this on. It is giving MILF, okay? What? I don't want to talk to you. I got a man, even though I don't got a man. That's what it's giving. Let me see how I look in a bun. Y'all know what I'm trying to do. I ain't put no clip in it or nothing, but it's giving Corvette. Let me tell you something. I have no cons, okay? Like, y'all see for yourselves. If you have Prime like I do, you order this and you get it in 2 days. This wig came in 2 days. And I'm so happy with it. I'm glad I actually took a chance and purchased it. I would totally purchase this again. It is absolutely beautiful. What I said is giving. It's giving Nikki. It's giving, you ain't fuck me, you fuck the whole body. It's giving nobody. It's giving Nikki. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta leave me alone with me and my new man, which is this wig.